5 years old. আমরা সবাই দাঁড়াবো. Let's focus on Amira. Amira, do you want to say something? It's your birthday. What do you want to say? You like the cake? I like it too. Oh, but can I have the cake? No? Oh. Oh, I can have a cupcake? Okay, I guess. This is Amira's mom, Afreen. This is Kian. We have a karate kid over here, Zaid. We have Zara over here. And we have Rahil. I think they're all being, yeah. Why do you guys have this on your head?
Because I wanted it on me.
Okay. All right. I'm gonna go back. Oh, what do we have here?
Here, give me that, Yara. I'll make one for you.
Wow, we have a drone right here. Hello. Okay. There's Lubaba. Okay. Is this a karate kid or? We are celebrating Amira's 5th birthday. Sorry. I don't know why I do that, but yeah. Yeah. What a windy day.
Yeah, ready? Why don't you guys dance like this?
Alright, let's do the dance. Yeah, a bit more. Let's move it.
Kian.
Kian, you gotta do this dance. Kian's like, what? Why are these weird people? Kian, get that go. Kian, you gotta do this.
Can you guys do Rahil? Can you get closer? Oh. Rahil ke Zara,
কি আরাম লাগতেছে I really feel nice.
এখন আমরা সবাই দাঁড়াই
কেন আগে হ্যাপি বার্থডে করবে না? হ্যাঁ রেডি 1 2 3 গাইস হ্যাপি 1 2 হ্যাপি বার্থডে গাইস ওকে আচ্ছা সাউন্ডটা কমাই দাও সাউন্ডটা কমাই দাও তারপর Okay guys, we're going to do the happy birthday song, okay? Yes, you are in the picture, but you better stand there. Okay. 1 2 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Maya. Happy birthday to you.
Remix.
Break it down.
We're so flawless. Everybody keep watching. We're so hypnotic. All around the world they know. My baby say all day. Hear me when I say my crew is fierce. Working that runway. I'm with my crew. We ride, we remix. This right, we rule the world. That's right, we're LOL surprise. Me and my BB's heels on our feet look so fresh from head to toe. They all stylish, nails all polished. Girl, you looking like a supermodel. Stop, drop, flex that business, turn up. Everybody hear this? Yeah, we got it so made with our hair so slay. Yeah, we doing our thing. We're so
Okay, hold that balloons together. You guys do it together. Don't let it go. Yeah, whenever I tell you to let it go, like you're gonna let it go, okay? Let it go. Woo! Let it go. No. What's your wish? Okay, what about you? Kian, what's your wish? What's your wish?
I wish it can come to my house.
Okay, what's your wish?
I had a pet unicorn.
What's your wish?
Well, I wish for a Nintendo Switch and Mario Kart 8.
Okay. Was it fun?
Look at my tower.